This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 42 of Building Eleanor. In this issue we've got the start of the front of the car. No wheel arches or anything. Well, obviously the wheels are going to go here, but this is where it fits, and it fits to the main chassis that we've been building along. It goes onto the front here. It fits from the underside, but should just locate in place. A bit like that, except I haven't got it lined up properly. Why have I not got it lined up properly? Have I got this the wrong way up? Might have. Oh no, it goes on from this side. That's why. It was the right way up, but it goes on there like so. Easy. See, it just drops in place and makes the car just that little bit longer. That's the full length now, pretty much. So it's going to fit on the bench all right. That's the main worry with these builds. So that is going to go on there like that, and the screws go on from this side as well, which is even easier. So let's get that open. We've got 4 screws to hold this in place. 2 on either side. So let's get 3 and 1 more screw out from there. Will be 4. That leaves me spare packets to tidy away soon. But these 4 screws go through these 4 holes. On there, on over there. Get that still on there. There we go. Over there, and the final 2 to give us our nice and secure chassis. Make sure these screws are nice and tight, because obviously this is the main base of the car. You need everything to stay still and stay lined up. So I shall get those tightened up momentarily. But that gives us that, which is our nice main part of the car. Done. Nice. I like it. I'll get that tightened up. Let me clear this out of the way, and we'll have a look through this month's magazine. So here we have issue 11 of our build, the 1967 Mustang Eleanor in 1/8 scale. We'll have a flick through and see what is new in here. First of all, obviously, we've got the build, which you'll have already seen. If you didn't see all of them, then by all means, rewind back on the channel in this playlist, and you will see all of these pieces go together. Gearbox cover, and finally the front end. And then we get these stuff. We've got Eleanor's stunts. Yeah, there were stunts in both films, I believe, no doubt. Yeah, that's the older film with the police car chase. There, and Atlee Jackson, Ghost from the Past. I don't know. Well known. I remember him from the film, but I don't know what the story is with him. You can read all about it if you like. There we go. The 60-second files, obviously behind the scenes of the original movie. I might well track down and watch the original movie. I haven't as yet. But there we go. Laura. Bentley. Quite a nice car. A bit posh, but quite nice. Yeah, I'll go with that. Stacey. A bit old, not really to my taste, that one. A 1967 Corvette Stingray. Yeah, not too worried about that one. Looks alright, but yeah, wouldn't use it for the weekly shop, but be alright parked up on the drive, I should think. And classic Mustangs, the Boss 429. Yeah, that's a classic styling of Mustang. I'll go with that. That's all right. There we go. So in the next dispatch, what have we got? Probably the front wheel arches, maybe. And some more bits, great stunts, and more movie secrets. All stuff going on there. So that's next time. Parts 43, 45, and 46. That's it. Another issue done. Another pack done. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying the build, and I shall see you for more very soon. Bye bye for now.